for a commercial or residential landscaper. They want to get their job done, and they want to get their job done well.
If your horsepower doesn't match what the engine is said to have, you might not be able to have the performance that you need to cut well through thick grass or through wet grass or up inclines.
Kawasaki Critical Power is our way of communicating to the customer that we stand behind our engines.
And it's not just us. We're having SAE set that standard, and we're certifying to that SAE standard.
SAE International is a global organization. They've been around for over a century. Kawasaki is the only engine manufacturer in the lawn and garden industry that goes through the SAE certified power process. That is guided by the J2723 standard. That standard refers to J1995, which is the gross power standard that we measure our engines to.
Using these mowers, knowing that you have the horsepower you need and knowing that it's been certified at that level will allow you to work through the day, through the week, get it done.
The engines are tested 5 times for 5 different engines. That entire process is overseen by an SAE approved witness. Those results are then compiled, averaged, sent on to SAE, and then a rating is assigned. Our engines are expected to produce at least 98% of the rated horsepower.
Critical Power is setting the bar, setting the standard, allowing us all to be on the same page with regards to what horsepower is, how it's certified, and what it means to our customers.
It speaks to the tight manufacturing tolerances of our engines and the overall build quality.
It's the engineering, it's the parts, it's the service. It's all tied up in Critical Power. Homeowners and commercial customers alike, they're going to feel that engine and they're going to feel that power kick in, and they're not going to have to back off the sticks.
What we provide is an engine that's been tested, certified, and that it will perform properly.
It's standard, it's constant. We build Critical Power every day. That's just what we do.